Well, this is going to be a bit of fun. Here we go. Threading the lower loopers on a Wilcox and Gibbs, approximately 1919. Flat stitch, flat seam or flat sewing, stitch sewing machine. So we'll come down from the back. We're only doing 3 threads because with the 4th looper is broken. So you'll come through the feeders, through the tensioners, down over this, which is actually an offset cam, which is basically a tensioner. You can see you go through the leads there, and then the guides down there. You come down this little plate here, and then each thread comes down the little chute and down into here. I don't know if you can see there, but down in here is a little hole, so the thread would come down here and out through that hole. The next one's a little bit lower, the next one's a little bit lower, and the next one's a little bit lower again. So you've got to drop this whole bottom section to feed it down, and then through the actual guide you can then see this lead across here. So she comes down across here, and then we come into the guides for the back of the looper, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've got to come, and what we've done here, diagonally from 1 to the 1st looper, 2 to the 2nd looper, and 3 to the 3rd looper. You've then got to take it down, and you can see how tiny or how close those actual loopers are. So you turn it so this comes back, then you've got to feed it through and then pull the thread through to the back again. So now I'm going to assemble it, and then I'll work on the other end. But as you can see, the design, through the guides, through the tensioners, through the guides, over the tension cam, through the guides, down the channel. Then you come down each individual guide there, then come up through the eyelet, down the side here, through the guides here, over the back of the loopers, and then down through each hole at the end of each looper. That was the fun part. So touch wood, we'll get the top ones right and we'll be off and running. This hasn't been fun. Thank you.